Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Spotify car thing. My fiance was awesome enough to be my hand model for this video, and I'm going to have a review of it soon on my YouTube channel. The first thing you see when you open the box is the manuals, and then we have the car thing itself. You get that nice big 4-inch screen, and you also get a really nice tactile rubber button on the right hand side, and on the back you get a USB-C port for charging. In the box, we have a bunch of different mounting styles. There are about 5 different mounts that are included. These will fit any standard vent, and I believe that you can actually mount it to your dashboard as well, or really anywhere you can think of. Lastly, we have a 12-volt car charger, which is really great for fast charging your devices. And finally, we have a braided USB-C cable, which is awesome, and a cleaning cloth. Thanks for watching.